Now that you have a clear understanding of what spatial planning is and why it matters for restoration, the next question is, how is spatial planning actually carried out in practice? In most contexts, spatial planning for restoration takes shape through two main types of processes. One, terrestrial spatial planning, TSP, focused on land, and marine spatial planning, MSP, focused on marine and coastal environments. Both share common goals: reducing conflicts, aligning uses, and supporting sustainability. But their methods, contexts, and challenges can be quite different. In the next task, we will explore what TSP and MSP are, how they compare, and why understanding these processes can help strengthen your restoration planning.